On tree bark, on stones, even on the roofs of ancient buildings, there exists a life form so resilient, so misunderstood, it's been to space and back. Meet the lichen. Lichen isn't just one organism, it's a symbiotic partnership, usually between a fungus and an alga or cyanobacterium. The fungus provides structure and protection. The alga, it performs photosynthesis, making food from sunlight. There are over 20,000 known species of lichen, but they generally fall into three categories based on appearance: crustose, flat and crusty, growing tightly on surfaces; foliose, leafy and somewhat loose from the substrate; fruticose, bushy or hair-like, growing upright or hanging. Lichens have existed for over 400 million years. Some even colonized land before many plants did. Fossils from the Devonian period show early forms of lichen-like organisms, paving the way for ecosystems. From scorching deserts to icy tundras, lichens thrive in environments too extreme for most life. On Everest and Antarctica, even on outer spacecraft, lichens are extremophiles. Lichens are bioindicators, living gauges of air quality. Many species are highly sensitive to pollution, especially sulfur dioxide. When lichens vanish, it's often a sign something is wrong. How does a composite organism reproduce? Tricky question. Lichens can reproduce sexually via fungal spores or asexually by breaking off small, complete fragments. Lichens have served humans for millennia, used in dyes, perfumes, medicine, and even food. Litmus dye from Rochella lichen, used in pH testing. US-niacic acid, a compound with antibiotic properties. Indigenous uses, traditional medicines, and even survival food in the Arctic. Lichens inspired painters, poets, and scientists alike. John Ruskin praised their intricate forms, while Beatrix Potter studied them under microscopes, decades before scientists fully understood symbiosis. But lichens are under threat. Urbanization, air pollution, and climate change are pushing many species toward extinction. Unlike other plants, they can't migrate quickly. They need clean air, time, and stability. You can help. Protect old-growth forests, support clean air legislation. Even document lichens in your area. Citizen science matters. Invisible to most, essential to many, lichens are nature's quiet architects. More than just fungi and algae, they are ancient alliances that sustain life where none should thrive.